One shot is great, the next everything changes, and the whole video falls apart. Keeping your characters and environments consistent shot to shot comes down to one thing: structured asset sheets. I'm handing you the custom Claude Skill I built to automate the whole process, plus my manual master templates. But the assets are only half the job. I'll also show you my full process for building your stories inside Claude and turning them into Seedance 2.0 videos. The links for the Claude Skill and the no-shoot document are completely free, and they'll be in the description below if you want to follow along. We're inside Claude, and I will show you how to use this Claude Skill. First, go to the plus icon, click Skills, and select the Concept Sheet Builder. There are two options for how we can use this Concept Sheet Builder. The first one is directly uploading your subjects, upload your images and press Generate. This will automatically create concept sheets that we can use inside ChatGPT. These do not have to be just characters. You can use this for vehicles, props, and environments as well. The first example is the character. We will take this character sheet prompt and go into ChatGPT, click to create an image and select an aspect ratio of 16:9 and paste the prompt. The most important part here is to actually attach the exact same image that you sent to Claude. Once the image is attached, simply press send. This is the first way you can use the skill. Here's the generated images from the concept sheet. As you can see, it works great. Now, the second option is to go back into Claude and use the concept sheet builder without an image. Select the skill and type your request directly. For example, I will tell it that I need 4 separate sheets, generate a bouquet of roses with different colors, a black sedan of a known brand, a flower shop environment, and a character that will work inside a flower shop. You can directly prompt these things without uploading any reference images. The concept sheet builder will give you 4 different sheet prompts. It will analyze the text and categorize the bouquet as prompt, the sedan as a vehicle, the flower shop as an environment, and the character as a character. It will also notice that the flower shop is an interior environment. The Claude skill has both interior and exterior environments built in, so it will detect which is which and give you the proper output. If your idea is somewhere in between, you can manually clarify if it should be interior or exterior to help it make the right judgment. Now, copy the first prompt for the flowers, go back into ChatGPT, click create an image and select the aspect ratio to 16:9. Then paste the prompt. You do not have to attach an image here because you're directly prompting from the text we generated in a concept sheet builder. And then just press send. As you can see, it generated our bouquet of flowers with different colors. Next, we will try the second prompt, which is the vehicle template. Copy the vehicle prompt, go back into ChatGPT and create the image exact same way. Here is a generated vehicle and it looks pretty good. That is the second option for how you can use this Claude skill. Now that you know how to use the skill to generate your assets, we can move over to Seedance 2.0 and I'll show you how to set up your prompt for the Seedance video. One more thing I should mention is how you save your generated assets. When you're saving your images, like the car, the bouquet, or the characters, you need to be specific. To make things simple later, save these files with a simple clear name. For example, name the files Julia, bouquet, or car. By doing it that way, we make things much easier when we move over to the video and tag the subjects there. Now we will move over to Seedance. I'll show you how to build a prompt for Seedance 2.0. I have left the template in the description along with a Claude skill that you can download. So now I will show you how to use the template. Here is my video prompt template. What we need to do is roughly describe the story we want to achieve with this prompt. Before we write the description, we will first want to upload all the subjects we need into Claude. Once those are uploaded, you can see our specific images. We have the bouquet, the car, the female character, the outside environment, and the male character. Now, I will simply tell the AI what to do. Instruct it to use the template to craft a video prompt for Seedance 2.0. Use this template to craft a video prompt for Seedance. He rushes out to the flower shop, she parks next to him, he goes in and gives her the bouquet. Her facial expression is happy and she closes her eyes, close up on her eyes, and the scene ends there. When tagging, use @Mia, female the driver, @out, environment outside the shop, bouquet, prop he's holding and giving her in the vehicle, @car, vehicle, @Sam, male the passenger and the one going out of the shop. We are just briefly describing who is who. Because we uploaded the images and gave it the descriptions, the AI knows what to reference. Instead of using generic tags like image 1 or image 2, it will use @Mia, @bouquet, @Sam, @car, and @out. Now press generate. Claude will analyze the instructions we gave it along with the template. It will then give us the full 15-second story prompt. Our prompt has been generated, so now we will copy this whole text. We'll go back into Dramina and paste the prompt. Next, attach your reference sheets to the project. Once the reference sheets has been attached, you need to apply these tags. Go down the prompt and tag everything exactly as we set up. add Sam, add Bouquet, add Mia, add car, and add out. Scroll down further and tag everything. Make sure to tag every single one as you go down the text. After you're done with that, just press generate. The video is now generated, so let's see the result. This looks pretty good, but there is only one thing I want to point out. The AI added a brand to the vehicle, and you can see the Volkswagen logo here. It added this without me prompting for it, because the original car reference was unbranded. Also, this is actually a different bouquet than one that I generated earlier in this video, because I used an older reference sheet for this video prompt. However, the bouquet itself looks right, as you can see the original image used on the screen now. Everything here looks correct, except for the added vehicle brand and the fact that he's a bit more chill for someone who should be rushing out, as prompted. Overall, it's a good result and I like it. This was just a first take and it serves as an example of what the final output can look like, and that is how you prompt for Seedance 2.0. If you like this video, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.